Hello, what is up everybody, RL57 here, back with yet another diecast car video, and in today's video we will be checking out the Hot Wheels 1987 Audi Quattro. And this is number 12 over 5 from Hot Wheels Turbo, and 102 out of 250, so let's go ahead and open this one up. So here it is, the Audi Sport Quattro in bright red right here. Yeah, it doesn't look that bad. It's very cool, not gonna lie. It's new casting for 2024, and is it a rally car? I'm not sure. I think not, or maybe yes, I think so. This is yeah, a very nice little car. It's a two-door Audi, quite similar to the Quattro that we have last time. That was a super treasure hunt, but there's also the regular one, and that one is also two doors, but this one, yeah, also two doors, just that this one yeah, feels a bit different, of course, as like I said, new casting. And another thing is, this is like a different car, sort of different design. But yeah, overall it looks pretty nice in red. I guess without further ado, let's go ahead and see the car's details. So we'll start off from the side as always. So first of all, we have the plastic 10-spoke chrome silver rims, which are okay, I guess. Hot Wheels logo right there. What does that say? I think those are stripes, black stripes. We have like a faded Audi logo. I don't know, it's supposed to be faded, or is it supposed to be somewhat the full Audi logo? I'm not sure if it's faded, and other people have, any of you guys, if you do have the like regular Audi logo, that means mine has an error. I'm not sure what is the real one. The actual diecast model, does it like fade away or not, as the other side also fades away? So we have to see about that. And yeah, you have this door handle, which is colored in sort of silver right there, which is nice. Metal side mirrors, as always, connected to the body of the car. Moving down to the front, you have regular printed headlight details right here. Audi logo, sort of some grille detailing on the front. What does that say? Quattro. This is Quattro right there. You do have some extra indicators, and basically your fog lights, your side, your indicators and all. Yeah, pretty nice. You do have this front bumper right here, which is pretty cool as well. For the hood, nothing much anyways, it's just your regular plain hood. You do have some air vents on the hood, I believe. And then you do have a regular windshield tint, blacked out interior, blacked out seats as always. And moving down to the roof, yeah, nothing much, pretty clean. It's cool. And yeah, that's the rear window. So moving down to the other side right here, we do have the same style of 10-spoke rims in silver. Audi logo, what are those? Some more black stripes. Hot Wheels logo right there in black. And yeah, I believe that's it for the side. And here's the back. You know, Hot Wheels, as always, you do not have rear lights. You do not have any detailing for the what do you call this, the license plate. And no Audi logo, no nothing. I don't know how they went through this without an Audi logo at the back. Somehow Audi logo, somehow, somewhere, I don't know. You do have this tiny little spoiler at the back right here, which is yeah, not too bad. Slightly small spoiler at the back, which is cool. And you do have a single exhaust tip at the bottom left right here, colored in black, as the base is black, of course. Plastic base. It says 1987 Audi Quattro 2023 metal, made in Malaysia. And yeah, basically that's it. And overall, Quite a nice car, pretty simple, not too bad, and yeah, it's clean anyway, so the car is pretty clean, and if you ask me, it's pretty nice. Do quite like it, and yeah, overall, if you ask me personally, you know, Hot Wheels, when it comes to clean cars, they do have the details on the car, obviously, but when it comes to them, even though they are like truly clean cars, like basically empty on the sides, empty on the doors or anything on the hood, nothing at all racing related or anything, they will normally lose the rear lights and also the side detailing and whatnot. But like this, it's fully clean, but the problem is no rear lights as always, or they're just lazy to paint it as the car is already red, so I guess that's why, I don't know. But it's great to at least paint it a bit, or just not leave it empty at all, ever, at the back. But yeah, there you go, that's my review of the Audi Quattro 1987. And yeah, colored in red. Overall, pretty sick car. And yeah, I would like to say thank you guys for watching. See my other videos. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you soon. Bye bye.